Hi friends, this is Amir Shah. In the last video, we discussed about sales mantra upselling. Today, we'll discuss about the second mantra of sales, which is even known as advanced sales or a better relationship sales. The second mantra is known as downselling. In fact, this system is not applicable every time like upselling. Upselling is a promotion in a concept that we'll be able to have a better invoicing and better sales with the so-called client business. Here in downselling, this option is taken very rarely. There are different options in this. Let us discuss about two options here. The downselling principle is sell a product, sell a lower priced product against a higher priced product in demand. In simple words, let's say one client, he came to buy a mobile. He is looking for a mobile with the cost of 10,000 rupees. In that case, we are supposed to sell him that mobile. But the salesman, he took a decision to sell a lower priced, say, product against the customer requirement. This is called downselling. Downselling means it may have different motive behind it, but technically we should be very careful while doing downselling. Second option is, let us consider a family is coming to the showroom and the father looking for a mobile. He is looking a mobile with the cost of 10,000 rupees and he purchased. In the same time, his son is looking for another mobile. In fact, he is too young. He is not supposed to use mobile like parents. But he is seriously demanding to get that mobile same like father. So, the salesman, he took a decision to show him a tab similar to mobile, which is very less expensive compared to the mobile. So instead of selling a mobile to his son, he was able to sell a tab with 2,500 rupees. Here, this action becomes very emotional with the parent. Means the father will be very happy with the decisions taken by the salesman, and he is trying to help him not to spend much money for the demand of his son. So this is called downselling. Downselling, in a way, it is advanced sell, keeping in mind that the same customer, he will come again and he will purchase more materials from the same showroom and he will be a regular customer with us. So to discuss about any sales related material. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me 8547484769. Thank you.